Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about structure of bladder. So it is the third part of the kidney. Though this bladder is connected to the one pair of ureters. So this one is carries the urine from the kidneys to the bladder. So this is the bladder. This bladder is one of the structure is identified. This one is called as a detrostal muscle, and it one is closed by the bladder neck. This bladder neck, it contains the specific character of the muscle. That muscle is called as a sphincter muscle, internal sphincter muscle, and this is called as a urethra. After that urethra, one of the muscle is present, that is called as the external sphincter muscle. So this is about a few parts of the bladder. We'll discuss about structure of bladder in this class. So first of all, urinary bladder is a which in shape? It is a triangular shape. First point is it is the which in shape? Triangular shape. And it is a triangular which in shape. Halo means some space is occurred, like that. This is the some space is present, that is called as the halo shape. Triangular halo organ. Triangular, it is the halo organ. So it is a presence in the location is the lower abdomen. Which one part? Lower abdomen. It's located in the lower abdomen. This is the second point. And what is the third point? It contains the mainly two parts. This is called as the body, and this is called as the neck. It majorly made up of the body and as well as the neck. Body and neck, these two parts is present. The bladder is composed of primarily smooth muscle. This bladder is made up of which muscle? Smooth muscle. Primarily made up of the smooth muscle. It includes the total three layer. The smooth muscle made up of three layers. The three layers is called as a detrostal muscle. The three layers is combined is called as a detrostal muscle. So the three layers is the first one is the inner layer, the next one middle layer, the next one is called as a outer layer. Inner layer, middle layer, outer layer, these three layers is called as a detrosal muscle. So the detrosal muscle is mainly, what is the importance? The detrosal muscles are folded in structure, hold the urine, and sometimes excess urine is stored in the first of all, what is the capacity of urine? 400 to 600 ml stored in the part of kidney. Sometimes 650 is stored. That one is going to expand their size with the help of the detrosal muscle only. So the bladder lined with the mucous membrane, and the empty bladder, in an empty bladder, mucosal lines is going to folds in structure. So it is a empty bladder. This muscle is going to folded in structure. That is called as the this fold C is called as the RUGAE. So this structure is called as a ragu. This ragu is presence in the empty bladder. So what is the capacity of the bladder? 400 ml to 600 ml of urine is stored. That is the capacity of urine. And the next one, this one is end with the which one part? That is called as the sphincter muscle. What is the importance of sphincter muscle? It one is in case, for example, here urine is passed like this only, this way. In case this one is opened, when it one filled with the 100 ml is transferred. So this sphincter muscle is hold the urine like this. That is the internal sphincter. Is located at the neck of the bladder. This one is going to holds like this, so urine is not pass up to filling 400 to 600 ml. That is the importance of the bladder neck and the internal sphincter. This one is connected to the urethra, and the external sphincter is also present in the outside of the body. And the next one, the urethra is urethra is contains the before the urethra, which one sphincter is present? Internal sphincter. After urethra, external sphincter is present. And the next one, what is the length of the urethra length? This one is the urethra length up to 8 inches in long, and 1.5 inches is width. So 1.5 inches is width, width and length is the 8 inches is length. This one is the parts of the these are the parts of the urethra and bladder. So this bladder is so it is the external features is different types of external features is present. What is that? Detrusor muscle and the smooth muscle is present, and the next one apex part, body part and fundus part is present. These are the different portions are present. This is called as a body, this is called as fx is this one is called as fx, body, neck, and as well as the fundus is the posterior part is called as a fundus. So these are the parts are present in the urethra. So here always urethra it is a void in shape. Which one shape? This shape is called as a triangular shape, and as well as the one more shape is a void in shape. So these are the parts of the urethra. And the next one urethra it is the posteriorly. This one is connected to the female it is a vagina. In male it connected to the male reproductive system organs. That is the main difference between male urethra and male bladder and female bladder. This one is connected to the male and female reproductive systems. This is about bladder. Okay, thank you.